McKenzie, never did I imagine finding someone as special as you are, but here I am today standing in front of you, and I'm so happy. Falling in love with you has been the most amazing experience of my life. You genuinely try to make my life easier at every turn. You are my best friend and the person I look forward to seeing at the end of every day, and with you, I have everything I could ever want or need. Mostly, I love how you make me feel each and every day. I've never felt more loved. Today, and every day for the rest of my life, I promise to always be by your side. I love you now, and I promise to love you forever. I'm the luckiest man. I cannot wait to spend the rest of my life with you.
Zach, I began to see the kind of person you are. Selfless, attentive, and generous, even as you fought to keep your eyes open. I can't forget to mention I vividly remember the way your gorgeous brown eyes and long eyelashes looked at me. Today, as I stand here with you, I know that night was the start of the greatest love story of my life. Loving you has been the best decision I've made in my life. I promise to never let you go to bed angry and always give you a kiss goodnight. You are my once in a lifetime, a perfect balance, my best friend, and now my forever. I can't wait to spend eternity writing this love story with you. This is just the beginning.
I'm blessed to know Zach's love will hold you as tightly and tenderly as I always have. May your marriage be filled with laughter, tenderness, and a love that only grows stronger with time. To McKenzie and Zach, you will forever be my beautiful little girl.
Do you, Zach, take McKenzie as your lawfully wedded wife?
I do.
Do you promise to love her, comfort her, honor and keep her in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others to be faithful to her as long as you both shall live?
I do.
Do you, McKenzie, take Zach to be your lawfully wedded husband?
I do.
Do you promise to love him, comfort him, honor and keep him in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others to be faithful to him as long as you both shall live?
I do.
So in the presence of family and friends, you have expressed your love for one another. By the power vested in me by the state of Texas, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Zach, you may kiss your bride.
McKenzie, the first time I met you, I knew there was something special about you. You're truly a blessing to me, and I thank God every day that He brought you into my family. The two of you are together are something special. Keep choosing each other every single day.
I just wanted to say congratulations to you both. Your vows said everything. Tonight is about nothing but love. I'm proud of both of y'all. Thanks to everybody for being here. But anyway, thanks a lot for everything.
This little girl stole my heart many, many years ago. And even though you're changing your last name, you're still my baby girl, okay? I wish you both the best. Choose each other every day over everything. And I love you both.
This is the start of an extraordinary life together. Challenges you overcome hand in hand, and memories you'll weave into a story that is uniquely yours. I love you both more than words could ever say, and I'm so proud of you both. By the way, if y'all could get busy on the baby making, I'm really excited to be Auntie Kels.
Zach, I love how you let McKenzie be her wild, hilarious self, and how you love her exactly who she is and always cheer her on. You two totally complete each other and balance each other so perfectly. I love you both so much, and I can't wait to see all the incredible things you'll do together. Zach, I hope you have as much fun growing old with her as I did growing up with her.
Zach, thank you for always being there for me. You've always been my best friend, my partner in crime. And I'm sorry, when you were younger, you were always my punching bag. And McKenzie, thank you for loving my brother and our whole entire family. You truly are an amazing person, and we are so lucky to have you.
From Germany, from New York, from Denver, all across the country, and even just you guys that are from Austin or San Antonio that did make the commute, made the time to come celebrate us. We just want to say thank you guys for everything. It means the world to us. You guys are here. We love you guys, and we just want to say thank you.
Now let's party. Woo!
McKenzie and Zach, may you continue to push each other to your best, show up with your whole hearts, and to always come back to the love that brought you here today. Cheers to a lifetime of joy and to always choosing each other.